Good afternoon, students. In our today online class, we are going to learn fundamental laws of gases, Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Avogadro law. Let us first discuss Boyle's law. So, Boyle's law states that when the temperature of a gas is kept at constant, the volume of a fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. So this is shown P inversely proportional to volume V. So here temperature T is constant for a fixed mass and pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Fundamental laws. First one is Boyle's law. Second one is Charles' law. Third one is Avogadro law. Let us first discuss Boyle's law. So Boyle's law states that when the temperature T is kept at constant, T stands for temperature. So pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So this is Boyle's law. And then Charles' law. So in other word, for an invariable mass of a perfect gas at constant temperature, the product of its pressure and volume is a constant. So nothing but PV equal to constant. And then second one is Charles' law. Charles' law was formulated by a French scientist, Jacques Charles. According to this law, when the pressure of a gas is kept constant, so in Boyle's law, temperature of a gas is kept constant in Boyle's law. In Charles' law, pressure is kept constant. The volume of gas is directly proportional to temperature of the gas. So Charles' law or law of volume. Second one, Charles' law. So in Charles' law, when pressure P is kept constant, so volume V is directly proportional to temperature T, or V divided by T equal to constant. So Charles' law or law of volume. And then third one is Avogadro law. So Avogadro's law states that at constant pressure and temperature, both are kept constant, pressure and temperature, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to number of atoms or molecules present in it. So once again, Avogadro law states that at constant pressure and temperature, the volume of gas is directly proportional to number of atom. So V directly proportional to N. N is nothing but number of atom, or V divided by N equal to constant. Avogadro law. Avogadro's law states that when the pressure and temperature is kept at constant, volume V is directly proportional to N. So here V is the volume and N is the number of atoms or molecules present in it. And then Avogadro number is simply given as Na. Avogadro number is the total number of atom present per mole of the substance. It is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 per mole. So important 1 mark question, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 per mole is the Avogadro number. So here Avogadro law states that at constant pressure and temperature, the volume of gas is directly proportional to number of atoms or molecules present in it. So V directly proportional to N, or V divided by N equal to constant. So here simply given P and T is constant, V directly proportional to N. So once again let us recall Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro law. So these three laws are said to be as fundamental laws of gases. When the temperature of a gas is kept constant, volume of a fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. P inversely proportional to 1 by V, PV equal to constant. Charles law or the law of volume. According to this law, when the pressure of gas is kept constant, the volume of gas is directly proportional to temperature, V directly proportional to T, or V by T equal to constant. And then Avogadro law, both pressure and temperature are constant, the volume of gas is directly proportional to number of atoms or molecules, V directly proportional to N, or V divided by N equal to constant. Avogadro number is the total number of atoms per mole of the substance. It is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 per mole. Students, these three questions, Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro laws, are very important short answer. So remaining topics, gases and real gas, ideal gas and ideal gas equation we will discuss in our next online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.